Well, well.
Sino ka?
Bakit kami andito?
Zoinks! This is our last day!
Huwag kang duwag! Tanggalin mo yung mask mo! Surprise!
The receptionist!
I'm not just a receptionist. I am Oni Fowler, a diva, an icon, a legend, and the baddest bitch of all. I knew it! Pagpasok pa lang namin dito sa Haunted Hotel, ayaw niyo na tumanggap ng customer. May tutok na ako na kayong may kagagawa ng mga nagmumuto sa amin. Oh, I mean robots. Ikaw ang nag-ooperate at nagkokontrol ng mga to para takutin kami at palabasin kami dito sa hotel. Very well said.
Bakit naman gusto niyo kami palabasin dito sa hotel?
Because hindi naman talaga sa akin itong hotel. Ninakaw ko ng lahat ng mga gamit dito para ibenta. Kasi this is haunted, obviously. At wala nagmamayari dito. Wait, saan yung isa kasama mo? Oh, ano siya?
Isa kang traidor!
Whatever. You crazy ass bitch!
Where's Scooby?
Oh, your dog? Pinatay ko na siya.
No! No! No!
Charis lang. Hindi ko alam kung saan. But, uunahin ko muna kayong patayin lahat. Ready na kayo?
Yes? Ano pong order niyo?
Hi. My name is Gail Weathers. You're Buzz, right?
Yes? Bakit?
Pwede ka ba namin ma-interview kahit saglit?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Kunin mo na yung camera, dali. Oh, to the M to the G. Casey Becker and Steve died last night. And guess what? Gail Weathers is live right now. Ini-interview niya si Buzz ngayon. Tingnan niyo. Oh my God.
No way! Okay, ready in 3, 2, 1, and live.
Hi, Gail Weathers here, live at Shawarma Kiosk. I'm here with Buzz, a four-time survivor of the Ghostface killings from Woodsboro. So, Buzz, dito ka na ba nagtatrabaho ngayon?
Yeah, I own this place. Dito na po ako nagtatrabaho po ngayon.
Did you know that there's been a murder from Woodsboro earlier today? 2 victims have died already.
Wait, what?
The murderer was wearing a ghost face mask. May kinalaman ba ito sa'yo? What are you feeling right now?
Di ko na po alam kung ano po nangyayari sa Woodsboro po ngayon. Nagpakalayo-layo na po ako doon. Sorry, I have to go.
Buzz, is there any... Cut. You know what? Let's reschedule this interview. Tara na. OMG, na-stop yung line. Ghostface is back. I told you. Juana, sana nag-transfer na lang tayo ng ibang school. You know what? Kailangan natin ng tulong ngayon. Kailangan natin tawagan si Ariel. She's not in Woodsboro now, pero alam kong dadating siya.
Hello?
Hello, Buzz. Did you miss me?
Sino to?
Nice little work you found. What's shawarma, please?
Well, you sure know a lot about me for another asshole na natatago sa isang voice changer.
Oh, I'm not hiding, Buzz.
Hi, Buzz. Kuya? Patay ka na.